Hello, today I will show you a review about this Yato battery tester. It has an analog display which can be calibrated with this small screw, just in a bit. If the needle doesn't show on 0, you can just simply turn the screw to suit your condition, like so. Now it measures 0 volts. You can measure two types of the batteries, 6 volt and 12 volts for automotive or motorcycle use. By measuring volts, by pressing this button, you let the current pass through this heating resistor. I'll show you in a bit how it's inside. And it measures the voltage drop, as you can see, 1000, 800, 600, 400 and 200 amps. But it's just on mainstream. The resistance of the wire inside, just in a bit, the wire inside the current shunt, you could call it. It measures about a half an ohms, so if you calculate it, it's nowhere near the 1000 amps that you can measure. It does the job. You can see if the battery has not enough charge in it, it will give more. If the battery has not enough juice, the voltage drop will be much higher and the battery would show up in weak. Perfectly, if your battery is charged up to the correct specifications, it would be about 12.5 to 13 volts. About. Don't quote me on that. And if you apply a load by pressing this button, the current goes through the heating element and is measured by this analog meter, and it drops the battery voltage. The best drop would be about a volt to 11.5, 11 volts. Then it would say that you have a quite good battery of the starting apps current at 2 or 400. That would be just fine. I've been using this tester for quite a while now, testing all kinds of batteries, gel, normal acid batteries used in cars, and it shows when a battery is weak or not fully charged. Also, you can check the charging system by the alternator, of course. It will show you, but this is not the main gear, top tier measuring devices which are like Android phones, quote to quote, which measures everything from starting current to current generation and all stuff like that. This is a simple to test your battery. It doesn't cost much. It has good alligator clamps. Both are from copper, not aluminium coppered. It has a good contact. The wires are not that bad. Also, no, not also. It has aluminium coppered wires. Well, you have an aluminium wire, but you electrolyze it and make it a top coat of copper. It's the easiest thing. But this isn't to charge or anything else, just to test it, so you don't have much voltage drop across the lead. Well, if you get 1000 amps, then you will get. The top heating element gets very hot, so you shouldn't press the button longer than 10 seconds, but usually it it's enough to get 5 seconds and it will show you a weak battery. Because a weak battery that is almost gone will slowly decrease its value. As the current is passing, it will decrease and get worse, and even to 0. Well, that would be it. You could buy it for your daily use. It's about 20 euros, not that much, and you can check your own battery with it. Have a good day. Bye.